something. You have to do something. I don't want people to start noticing about this pregnancy.
What do you want me to do now? I told you, I'm not ready for marriage. I don't want to marry now. I told you that time, don't let it enter well. Don't let it happen. What do you want me to do?
What are you now saying? What are you now saying? Hey.
Let's do something. Maybe buy abortions. Abortion.
What? Abortion? You and who? Me? Abortion? I can't do abortion, no. I can't.
Can't you bring your voice down? Must you shout? We are here to settle things.
See, Nonso, if I don't hear from you from now till weekend,
What kind of problem is this? What will I do now? Oh, if you know what you do for me. If you cannot take abortion, you take anything you want.
What is it?
No problem. Uji, I'll be fine.
I don't get it. You said nothing and you're not looking bright. We even said you'll be fine. Also, talk to me. What is the problem? I'm your sister. I can help you, no?
Really?
Yes, I can help you.
Okay. And you're sure you don't tell Papa anything?
No, I promise. I'll not tell Papa.
It's Ada.
What's wrong with her?
It's Ada. It's Ada.
What happened to her now?
Hey! Jesus! Ada says she's pregnant.
Pregnant? How? From where to where?
From Africa to Movies.
Where is that bunch of stupid boy? Oh no, so you are here. Mama, you are asking Ijoma what is it? I have brought your container home. This is your container. Take your container.
Ijoma, what is it?
Mama, this is Ijoma, not container. What are you talking, Ijoma? What's happening?
Your brother here impregnated my daughter. And I have brought her to you people. Now you watch it.
Ijoma, I don't understand though. What are you talking about?
See, no, so I warned you, but you say you will marry me. I'm pregnant, you have to marry me.
You want me and I say I will marry you. You want me and I say I will marry you.
That's what you said. That's what you said. You don't have to deny me. That's what you said.
Also,
Uju, Nonso, I'm ready to create a scene. No, I brought her home. She is now your sister-in-law. Nonso, she is your wife. I don't want to see her anywhere near my house. Because if I see her, I will kill her. And I will come here and kill somebody. Let me not see you anywhere near my house. Nonso,
Chinonso, you have to marry me. You have to marry me. I've been warning you since. I've been warning you. You say you love me.
You have been warning me. And I say I love you.
Gloria! Gloria!
Ogochi, what is it? What happened? Everyone is well. This one here.
I came to you because we're friends. Not because I don't know what to do to that little thing of yours, Obiago.
What happened? Okay, let me guess. Obiago beat you in school.
Again, And this is not the first time. Please, tell that your little thing to let my daughter be. She's all I've got. It took me so many years to give birth to this child of mine. So please.
Ogochi, calm down. Calm down. I will talk to Obiago. Just calm down, oh?
The next time he lays his hands on my daughter, he will be looking for trouble.
Calm down, please. I have told you that I will talk to you. Chidera, what happened?
Obiago was making noise in the class when I wrote his name in the list of noisemakers. That's why he caught me on the way and beat me up.
Okay, sorry, eh? It will not happen again. Oh?
Please do.
Sorry.
Please do. That little thing of yours is gradually becoming a terrorist in this community. I wonder what he will become when he's 20.
Shut up your dirty mouth! Make sure you get taken quiet!
Finish. Let me finish. I wonder what this village will see if that thing that is crawling out of this house becomes 20 of age.
Ugochi, come back here. Let me warn you. I hope you are not referring to my grandson.
Do you have two of them? Do you?
Leave my house.
I am already on my way.
Where were you when they were beating your daughter? Obiago! The next time! Cut off her head. Let me see you in my gate. You have a daughter, my son will become criminal, not a terrorist.
Hey, I am not going anywhere. I am not going anywhere. No, so you must marry me. You must.
So this has finally happened. Eh? This has finally happened in my house.
Papa, tell this girl to leave. Tell this girl to leave because I am not going to marry her. I am not going to marry anybody. If you like, be pregnant on the leg, on the head or the back, it's not my business. I am not going to marry. I have said my own. Better leave this house. Oh.
No, please. You don't have a choice here. You don't have a choice because Ada is also pregnant. What are we going to do?
What did you just say?
Yes, Papa.
Ujunwa.
Ada is pregnant for Nonso.
Ada pregnant?
Yes. For Nonso.
Hey, me, I don't want to share my husband with anybody. Which one is Ada is pregnant again? I don't want to share my husband though. And I'm not going anywhere.
Are you warning me?
Sorry, I'm not warning you, but I don't want to share my husband now. Nonso will marry me.
Who is your husband? Husband by fire by force. Who is your husband? Listen to me. Better leave this house. Better leave this house now. Because somebody hyper. Better leave this house now because I'm not going to marry you. You see that my room? If you enter that room, I don't know. If you enter that room, I know about the kingdom of darkness.
Papa, sure you are hearing what he's saying. Sure you are hearing him. Me, I'm not going anywhere. Eh? Where do you want me to go? My mother said that she will kill me if I step a foot in that house. Me, I'm not going anywhere. I'm staying here.
Azoka said it. She told me to my face that trailer load of bastards are coming to my house. Now it has happened. Hey!
Papa, it's okay. Calm down, please.
Yeah,
calm down because of your BP, Biko.
Thank you, Mama.
Thank God, my dear.
Mama, I'll be leaving for school tomorrow.
Tomorrow? Why tomorrow?
Fam is leaving for Enugu. So he asked I join him in his car.
Afam wants you to join him in his car to Enugu.
Yes, Mama.
Linda, I am beginning to suspect you and that boy. Hey, no. I saw the way he was looking at you the other day.
Hey, Mama, there's nothing, no. We are just friends.
It's very simple. Then make that friendship generate to something that will benefit all of us. That family is very rich. They have houses all over the place. Businesses. Listen,
We must utilize that opportunity. Very important.
Above all, they are very nice people.
We are saying the same thing. That is why we must take advantage of their good heart and draw closer to them.
Hey, one more thing, Mama. You shouldn't have asked them for this soup. It's like belittling ourselves before them.
How do you mean? No. I see nothing wrong in that. How can you say that? We must make them understand that we need their help. We shouldn't pretend over it. Besides, don't act as if you didn't enjoy this soup. Linda, only we belittling ourselves. Why are we pretending? Anyway, listen to me. I want you to stay focused. Biko, start thinking of marriage. Don't forget, your father died for his father. And we must make them know that. We must use this opportunity to actualize our dreams. Very important. Oh, our suffering must end. Because this is the opportunity. And we must not miss it. Think about it. Yeah,
move. You will not kill me. You will not kill me. You will not kill me. Get down there. Kneel down. Nonsense. Obiago, why did you beat Chidera?
Is it because of that naughty girl dragging my ear like this?
Obiago, every day somebody will come to this house with your report that you have done one thing or the other. Are you not tired of fighting in this village?
She's the one that first looked for my trouble. She wrote my name in the list of noisemakers. Not even one time, 5 times.
Obiago, did you not make noise?
Yes, I make noise now. What is it?
Mama, what's Agunko doing? Kneeling down. Agunko is kneeling down. He beat his class monitor because the class monitor wrote his name down while he was making noise. Agu, stand up. Agu, Azuka! Mama, Azuka! It is time we begin to discipline this boy. This boy is getting out of hand, though. Oh my God! Wait. Bye. Azuka. Azuka. You're supporting this boy. No. That's very bad of you. Bye. Oh my God. So you beat the person.
I blow the person. I even give her something to eat.
What do you eat? Sit down. What do you eat?
I want to eat here.
Come, sir. Maru.
How did you see Linda?
Well, Dad, we just met. But she seems a nice girl to me.
Good. She's from a good home. She has home training. And I know you like her.
Well, Dad, I don't really know her too well. I have to study her before we start talking about marriage.
You are right. But at least be fast about it. You make haste while the sun shines.
I'm working towards that, Dad. I will pick her up on my way to Enugu tomorrow morning.
Very good. I was about to tell you that. Afam, call South Africa. I don't know why it is taking them long to supply us the wine we ordered for. And my manager just called to say that the ones we had in stock is exhausted. And it's not good for business.
I know. I'll do that once I get to the office. Yeah.
Azuka. Stand up and give my bench.
Shut up, so if you call my name, I will know hear you.
I thought you were deep asleep now, that's why I touched you.
Where do you send me to that I'm deep asleep?
Are you done with my bench?
Your bench is there. I hope you came with my balance.
You like money, Azuka. You want money, take your balance.
I collected more money from you because of that thing. Because of that school desk contract that you promised to talk to the principal on my behalf for.
That one? It is settled. The principal is my brother. He give you the contract. I hope you did my bench very well.
Very, very perfect. Go and sit down and say on top of me.
Very, very well.
Very, very perfect.
No problem.
That's so.
Well done, yeah? Don't sleep again, once I'm coming. Azuka.
Are you okay?
Yes, I'm fine.
Yes, you are fine. Talk to me. What is the matter?
It's nothing really.
Hello. Oh. Please. Please don't crucify me. Please, I'm begging you. Okay, you know what? I will stop over. As I'm going home right now, I'll stop over before I head home. Okay, ma. Okay, see you soon. It's alright.
Your girlfriend?
My best friend. She always got my back.
Seems you guys are quite close.
Are you okay? You don't look right.
I just got a text from my friend. She won't be coming home as we agreed. I'm wondering how I'm going to sleep in that house alone. I wish I could get somewhere else to meet.
It's just that. Just a night. It's okay. It's not a problem.
Sure, yes. Just a night.
I'm looking for you. You were nowhere to be found. I'm so glad that you're here. I will show you that I care, and I will never let you go. Now you're around. Now that I've found you, I will never let you go. Stay in my heart, stay in my life. Now that I've found you, I will never let you go.
You know Enugu is very far. Very, very far. And you know me too well. I hate night traveling. So hurry up and be going, oh?
Mama, you chasing me out from the house already.
How can? Nebe, who said so? How? My daughter. If I had the time, I want you to stay here with me all the time. But school, what? Huh?
Mama, you're right. Let me go in and get my box and start leaving.
Have some. Hurry up. Fast. hope you are not leaving your eye pencil.
No.
Okay. Be fast, oh.
Hey, Mama, because of time, I won't be able to go to Azuka's workshop to greet her. Please, when she gets back, greet her.
Sure, I will.
Okay.
I will. Be very careful.
I will.
Take care of yourself, oh.
I will, Mama.
Do? Remember. Be careful. Don't forget.
No.
Take care of yourself, oh.
I will. Bye-bye, Mama.
Read your books, oh.
Okay, Mama.
Read your books.
Okay, Mama, I will.
Anybody will touch me. I go show and pepper. I go do it. I go put somewhere where. Now me be my mama pikin. Now me be the last one.
Stop. What happened to you?
She told me Azuka will not be able to do this seat. I read that I give it to her.
So sorry. So this is the rubbish Azuka did for me. I'm not collecting the whole sum of money from me. Eh? Don't worry. Just come inside. Don't worry. Let me go with Azuka.
Please go and give her. I'll collect the money back for her.
Azuka!
Mommy, I hid inside the bush, throwing knockout at that police teacher. Look at the way she was running.
But are you sure she did not know you are the one?
Mommy, did you trust your son again? You don't trust me again.
I trust you.
I make sure she did not see me, Jare.
I trust you. Make sure that you are not caught. Because you know once you get caught, you'll be in trouble. You know.
I make sure I scared her so much.
Yeah, very good of you. It's a guy.
In fact, next time, I'm going to put it under a table. Next time, I'll put it under her desk.
Yes, I'll put it under her desk, but make sure she does not see you. Oh? Guy, you. He's a guy.
But did you see how she was running that time?
Thank you so much.
It's all right.
You're such a nice man.
Don't mention. I will talk to you later.
Are you not coming inside?
No. I have an appointment to meet someone, so I have to quickly rush to see the person.
Afam. I told you earlier that my roommate said she won't be coming home. How do you expect me to stay alone in the house, knowing fully well I just lost my father? I'll be scared though. Yeah, I'm scared.
Okay. It's alright. Okay. Let's go in. Don't worry. I will take you inside.
Now that I've found you, I will never let you go. Stay in my heart, stay in my life. Now that I've found you, I will never.
Welcome to my tiny place.
Tiny? Oh no. You have a lovely place. It's fine. Good place.
We're managing,
How can you say you're managing this place? I mean, Some people can't even afford this. You know, this is good.
So, what would you love to drink? Let me get you something.
No. Don't even bother yourself. I'm okay. I'm good.
Afam. How you're visiting for the first time? Not to worry. Let me.
No. But I'm good. You don't need to stress yourself.
Habana, at least. Hey! Help me! Something beats me! Put your hand inside.
Sorry.
Hey.
I can't put my hand inside.
Put it inside,
Don't
please.
worry, I can't.
Hey, there's nothing.
Nothing.
Check now, check.
Nothing. Look at it. Nothing.
Oh God.
There's nothing.
Okay, there's. Please.
There's nothing now.
Put your hand inside.
There's nothing. Sorry.
Oh.
Sorry.
I think I should.
Sorry.
I think I'll have to flit this room.
Yeah, later you flit it.
Yes, I'll have to flit it. Hi. Afam, I don't know what beats me in the village or here. Yeah, I don't know. I've been having this excruciating pain ever since. Touch it now.
Sorry.
I think there's a lump there, isn't it?
Lump? There's no lump.
There's no lump.
No,
you can't feel it.
You're putting it inside. Here?
Here.
No.
There's no lump.
No lump.
Hey,
No
I
lump.
think there's a lump here. Here. Ay! I don't know what beats me in the village. I just hope it's not cancerous.
Cancer? No.
I don't know. It's paining me.
Cancer can't do you then.
My back.
Sorry.
Thank you.
Sorry. I think I have to go now. Yes. I have an appointment somewhere, so I must see this person.
Okay, let me see you off.
Well, it's nice coming to your place. Lovely place, nice place.
Thank you.
Good.
Thank you.
That is where you define you go see a move. Azuka na trailer will break. Nobody fit hold a move. Anyhow you want them, she dey. Na trouble she go double am today.
Azuka na Hausa. See, just imagine.
What's the meaning of this?
Azuka,
Huh?
I paid a huge amount of money. Look at how much you did for me. Look at it. Eh?
Yeah.
I just fall on the ground. Boozer.
Benji, what's the meaning of this? What's the meaning of this?
Azuka, just refund me back my money. I don't need the bench again. Eh? You did rubbish for me.
You told me to do bench. I gave you price. I told you this money you are giving to me cannot do good bench. Or you say manage. This is the management bench. The money that you gave me is 1 day bench. You have taken the 1 day bench to your house. You have sat on it. It has broken. Take it back home. Biko.
Azuka,
Huh?
I heard that you're a troublemaker. I still brought myself here for you to make a bench for me, and I've seen it. Azuka, just give me money. Let me leave here. I don't want any trouble, Azuka.
There's no refund after payment has been made.
Azuka, did you write anywhere there is no refund here?
No.
So give me my money.
Your brain, common sense is supposed to tell you. So if you don't have common sense, there's common sense in my shop on the ground. Pick it, put it inside your head. Common sense is supposed to tell you that there's no payment after refund or refund after payment.
I don't want any trouble.
Okay, don't make any sense. That's what I come. Wait back. Carry this your souvenir chair. Take it to your house. You paid for 1 day chair. This is 1 day chair. Go and keep it so you can sell your children 1 day chair.
Azuka, just give me back my money. I will take 1 or 2 from your shop when I leave here.
Wait back.
Azuka, give me my money. Azuka, don't give me my money. Give me my money back. Give me my money.
Educate. I'm giving you the chair that you paid for. 1 day chair. You are sat on it. Take it back home. Go and keep it as a souvenir for your children.
Azuka, this thing is rubbish. I'm not going anywhere. In fact, I'm taking this thing.
Give me that. Wait back, my friend.
Don't worry, I'll come back for you. I'll come back for you. Take the chair, take the bench, everything. Don't worry, I'll come back for you. Don't worry.
Idiot.
Yeah.
You idiot.
When you see the trouble, make you no run. Azuka, very hot. Biggie wahala.
That's very bad. Me.
Good. Thank you too.
Hi. Now what for this babe? Hmm?
I will be somebody. What of you should leave this bag now? I will be somebody now.
You are not going anywhere. After putting me in this condition, you want to run away? Eh? You're not going anywhere.
You condition.
You are not going anywhere from here. I'm telling you, it won't happen. You want to run away? Look, Nonso, running away from your responsibilities is an act of irresponsibility. You don't need to.
You're not going anywhere.
Whose side are you on? Eh? Why are you talking like this? So you want me to marry this okay one up without anything? Without having money? Without having land or anything to boast about?
He did not know.
Come and go now.
Shame on you, Nonso. Shame on you. You were collecting from two of them and hammering them. Now you want to run away. You cannot run away from your responsibilities. Both of you, hold him. Let him face his responsibilities.
Papa, he's your son. You're his father. You don't need to be saying this to him. Look, Nonso, come, let's go inside and settle this. Be a man that you are. You don't need to run away.
So I cannot even go to Merod to buy something.
Buy what?
Or even go to the city and hustle.
What do you want to
because
buy?
Because
you are not going anywhere. Come on, girls.
Allow him to escape.
Papa.
I should begin to praise him.
Just leave. No, let him go.
Leave my clothes.
No.
It's not my customer. You're
sleeping.
You're not going
Stop this, please. Stop it. Let's settle.
Irene.
What are you doing here?
Hustling, what does it look like? Chief, meet my friend and roommate, Linda, meet Chief.
Hello, Chief.
Paragon of beauty. No need to ask you how you are doing because you are the goddess of beauty.
Thank you.
Please, can you join us?
Yes, she won't mind. If you want, we can give you a treat.
I want.
Ooh, la la. It will cost you, Chief.
I am Akunataka 1. Money is not my problem.
Hi, Chief. Anyway, I've already paid for a room here, so you just do me a refund first.
No wahala, no problem. I can even pay for extra 1 month if you wish.
Oh,
this is Akunataka. I love this. Hop into the car. Let's get this shit out of here. Get me my car, please.
I've missed my husband so much. Ezigbo di m na anum. Ọnwụ buludensi. Chief one them. Since my husband died, I've been suffering with my children. I go na ya. Alwe mego kwano mo. Oya mego kwano mo kwano ya. Hell. Okay. Chief, please. Wayoma, please. I don't know if you can assist me to start a business so I can take care of my children.
Obioma, I've heard you. What kind of business do you intend to start?
Sir?
I mean, what type of business? You must have something in mind.
Yes, I have.
So what business?
Okay, I want to start beer parlor business.
Beer parlor? Obioma, why beer parlor?
I want something that will give me money on daily basis. Maka, I go Adoka.
What about provision store?
Yes, Chief. Provision store, Soku. At least I will add it at the corner of the shop. Then my beer parlor. Provision and beer parlor. Biko, please.
So right. I'll give you money.
Eh?
Yes, I said I'll give you money.
Hey, Chief. Ezigbo mmadụ. God will bless you. If not for that, I won't bother such a wonderful family.
You are not bothering me, Obioma. You are not. I told you that you and your children are my responsibility. Feel free to come to this place. Ask of anything, I will give you.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Obioma, I have food in the kitchen. You want to eat?
Yes, I will eat. I will eat. I will not eat it this morning. Nkiru self is at home.
Why?
There's no food at home. The little money I had on me, I gave it to Linda. She went back to school today.
Don't worry. Veronica! Vero?
She's here.
Yes, ma'am. Veronica.
Ma?
Go to the kitchen. Get food for my guests to eat.
Okay, ma.
Biko, 1 minute.
Wait, she wants to tell you something.
Yes. Biko, I don't know if it is possible. Biko, don't be offended. Oh, if it's possible, please, can she put some, even if it's in a polythene bag, so I can give to Nkiru? Since morning, Mom, she's hungry.
Oh yeah, get her food for Nkiru, then bring her food to eat.
Oh.
Mama, did I not tell you that God will fight for me?
What is it?
Did I not tell you that God will fight for me?
Okay. What is it? Ejike.
I forget Ejike because I want to tell you about the Chiobochi and his son. Remember that day at the meeting when he said my son is a bastard? And I told him, I said, I pray for you that your family will have a trailer load of bastards. His son impregnated 2 girls.
Yeah! It's a lie. Now, 2 girls. Hey!
Remaining his daughter.
Hey! They thought it's only my child that will have a child outside wedlock. Good for him.
That's what that's
Now, 2 girls.
2.
One more fear. Azuka.
Mama.
Does it mean the barber does not know how to barb or the razor is not sharp? Because Ejike met me at the road and then complained to me that you didn't do his bench well. And when he brought the bench back to you, chased him away.
He's an idiot. Did he pay me? Did he pay me? Don't worry. I'll fix it. You know, I'm still learning. More by small.
I trust you. I trust you. Yeah, a smart girl. Okay, fine.
I'll fix it.
I know your father taught you well. So just do it for him so that he doesn't have time or maybe the mind to begin to spread your name everywhere. Oh, thank you very much, my daughter. Azuka. Azuka.
Honey, about Obioma.
What about her?
What do you intend doing about her request?
Well, That's what she wants to do, so we have no other option than to support her. From the look of things, her mind is almost made up, so we'll support her.
Honey, you know she's a widow.
You know too that in as much as I don't like this beer parlor thing, there is nothing we can do rather than to give her help. You see, we are just helping. Try to understand. Obioma is still a young woman.
I cried, oh, I cried. Cried and cried. Chief now felt pity for me and asked me what I want to do.
So what did you tell him, Mama?
Trust your mother. You know I have high taste. I told him that I want to open beer parlor business. And I will also put a provision store by the side. 2-in-1 business.
Mama, are you not asking for too much?
Too much? How? Eh? Chief has money. Plenty of money. Don't you know that Chief has business all over the city? You know what? Or say much. Let me tell you. I'm expecting nothing less than 300,000 from Chief. One. 300K. Nothing less than that. Yes, now. I've already made an inquiry. Yes. Okonta said he will give me shop 1,500 every month.
Mama, for me, I think we should let them rest for a while.
Rest for a while? How? Why? Eh? Chief that killed my husband. Chief that killed my husband. If not for Chief, your father would have still been alive. It seemed give them time. Please don't give me a switch mood.
Mama, Chief has been good to us, and he's still good to us.
Have I said anything wrong? He's still in the line of being good to us. Yes, now, am I asking for too much?
Mama.
Amata can be Amata. Anyway.
If you like, when you get there, go show yourself.
Show myself, okay? Hey, Afami is different too. He is different. He is a perfect gentleman. This one is boyfriend material. The others are side attraction. Bunch of nothing. Ends to a means. This one, not to the end though. If possible, to the altar. For you. You know, I took your advice. No more boyfriend Matao. Strictly street for now. Are you just knowing? They make pants, they wear you. I beg, I don't they go. How do I look? Good, beautiful. Make I go. As I dress, good girl. I'll be good girl now. Later. Okay, see you.
Papa, there is something I want us to talk about.
Good evening.
Sorry, Papa, good evening. It is very important.
First time in your life since you were born, you have something very important to discuss with me. I think I am happy. I am all ears.
Papa, next month I'll be 35.
Mba, 36. Yes, 36.
Whatever. Papa, I want to know at 36, what is your plan for me? For your son? Do you want me to be useless? Papa, sorry that I have not done what you wanted me to do all this while. Papa, you see now that I have wives. I want to be responsible.
Hi.
think I am happy that you are now reasoning like a young man who wants to be useful in his life. But the only problem now is that Iroko tree, which I thought I will sell and give you the proceeds so you will start your life with. We have lost it to that Agafu girl.
Papa, what about lands? We have land. Why not save a piece of land and give your son money for him to go and make it? Eh? How can I face my responsibility without a land? Without anything? Now, very soon they will put to bed. How am I going to survive it?
Also, for your information, there is no land anymore. I sold all of them, thinking that the Iroko tree is still there for me to sell and give you the proceed.
Papa, you see, you have sold all our lands. You sold all our lands without reserving anyone for your son, Papa. Hey! And you want me to be responsible? You want me to face my responsibility? Hey, Papa? You want me to face my responsibility without a land? No land, no Iroko tree. How can I face it? Papa? Papa? You see this thing? I will kill myself. In fact, I will not kill myself. Papa, you see this house? I'm going to sell it. I'm going to sell it. Let all of us go outside and stand up. Everybody will stand outside. I will sell this house. This is already many land. I will sell it. Let's stand outside. Everybody can put it, you know. How can I spend my life without a land, without Iroko tree? You sold everything, and you are now telling me to be responsible. We don't mind about the. Okay. Papa, either I kill myself or I sell this place. Oh no, I cannot come one.
So you have been thinking of land. You and your wives and children will go outside. Oh, so you are hoping on my land and this house. Mbano.
Nem, please manage outside here for me, oh. My parlor is a mess. We don't have chairs. Yes, my husband was planning to get a carpenter to do a new furniture for us. Money for going to go city before he's untimely. Ajoka. Mana, his wish was to get us new set of furniture, so the husband of my youth.
Well, that won't be a problem, Obioma, eh? I'll get an first.
Chief Biggie, what did you just say?
I said I'm going to get a furniture maker to get you a brand new set of chairs, eh? So that you won't miss your husband so much.
My husband's wish. Thank your husband for me. Okay, no problem. Chief.
Okay, and then my husband and I brought this for you. This is 500,000. Use it to start the business you want to start, and please use it wisely.
500,000. Dinner, Chief. Chief. Hey! Chief. Chief, God bless you. God bless you, Chief.
Odensi was a very good man.
The God of widows will bless you. Amen. Chief, one name. Ini Edo bata ngozi ngozi. Irugi azogi ngozi ngozi. Nwanyi ọma. God bless you all. Ezigbo nwanyi. Oh. Nekwa ni manya ka mbia kwa gangaga.
You like the food?
Mm-hmm. It's tasty.
Good. No. me about yourself.
I've told you everything you need to know about myself. I do not know what else you want me to say.
Do you have a boyfriend?
No! No, not at all. No boyfriend. Yeah. So, tell me more about you.
I have a friend. Yeah. She's my best friend. You'll get to see her anytime soon.
Oh yes, you told me sometime. I remember.
So,
hello. Do you remember me?
Have we met before?
Have we met before? Are you not the girl the other day at the hotel that I gave money and yet you did not?
Excuse me? You gave him money? A hotel? Can you imagine this, baby? Like, are you trying to sell me a prostitute?
Sorry.
Sorry for yourself. This is so embarrassing.
she sounds as if she knows you.
I do not know him. I don't know what he's talking about. Me, hotel. I mean, do I look like some prostitute or what?
Waiter!
There are too many light-skinned girls here.
Don't worry.
Waiter!
Eat your
So
food.
embarrassing. I mean, he said he picked me up in a hotel. I said,
who is there?
Me.
Azuka! Azuka, come out! Before you destroy my future, I'm going to destroy you first. Come outside!
Who is shouting there? And then also, why are you shouting? Eh? What's the problem? Eh? Your future, your future. Which future? The future that you have or the one you don't have?
Azuka, I have come to warn you. And I have come to inform you that that Iroko tree you caught, you are going to pay me for that. You are going to pay me for that because that's my inheritance.
My father's Iroko tree that I caught. I'll pay you for it because it's your inheritance. You were a mad person. You're very mad. Yes. Fine boy, no money. Woman rapper. Yeah, Weba.
Me? You see that tree that you caught? If you refuse to pay me for that tree, Azuka, what I will do to you? You see that tree? Everything I have planned to become is on that tree. So you are going to pay me for that. If not, what we are going to do in this village, Azuka?
Yeah, baby, I'm okay. You very, very fool.
Watch him.
Father! You idiot! You idiot! You are looking for your father's inheritance or your father's property. It's my father's property you want to collect. Do you see me running after your own father's property? You idiot! You idiot!
Obioma, how are you?
I'm fine, Chief.
Where are you coming from?
I went to see Ichio Kaka. My late husband borrowed some money from him and gave him the only land we had as collateral. Now he's threatening to take away that piece of land. That's the only land I farm on. So I had no choice than to take that 500,000 naira you gave me, and I took it to him.
So you've offset the debt?
Eh?
I mean, you've cleared the debt?
Yes, I've cleared it. It's just that there's no longer hope for my business. There's no other...
Anyway.
The business...
Come into the car. We'll talk about it later.
Chief, you have done enough already. You have done enough already. But I'm wondering if you can give me some money to prepare a good pot of soup. The same way your wife prepares. But you can come and eat if you wish to. I'm around more than possible.
This is 6,000. Make sure you and your daughter feed well. I shall be good.
₦6,000. Eh? What will I use it to prepare? Eh? Or is it stockfish or is it meat? No, now. What will I cook with 6,000 naira? When your wife uses 15,000 naira to cook soup? Eh? No, now. Check here now. Oh my God. Now. This is insult. Eh? You can't 6,000 naira. I don't blame him.
This is where I live.
Your house is beautiful and big for just one person.
Well, I used to stay here with my parents before they retired to the village. So I stay here alone. Welcome to my house.
Thank you.
You can have a seat.
So tell me, how do you cope all by yourself?
Well, I cope. I do cope as well.
I think I'm falling in love with you.
Linda, you're a likable person. Yeah. No. Not yet.
Come on, Naham. We are adults.
I know. But I don't want to take the advantage of you.
Who says you're taking advantage of me? Unless you don't love me.
You know that I love you. I want to be able to prove my love to you.
To hell with your proof. I do not need any proof from you. Just love me, please.
No, Linda.
Please.
See, you need to hold yourself. Calm down. When the right time comes, both of us will enjoy it. See, let's make this simple as ABC. You're a likable person, but let's just give this a little time.
These are the things I brought for you.
Here. Oh. Oh. This is much. Irene, where did you get money to buy all this? Huh?
Mama, you ask too much questions. Remember I told you the new hotel I'm working at now? A customer forgot his bag. And the bag is filled with money. So I kept it for him. When he came back and asked for it, I gave it to him. And in appreciation, he gave me plenty money. So that is what I use in buying it.
Inukwa. Hey!
People forget money. Sister. Sister, you need to open an account. So you save me the stress of coming back again and I want to give you that stuff.
You're right. Irene is correct.
I hope.
Hello. Azuka. So that when she brings money, you keep it.
Hey, Mama, I bought you this month. I know you like it so much.
Yeah. But, okay. Papa.
Hey, Sister, yes. I bought you the latest furniture catalog. You will love the new design.
Yes, that's it. That's it. That's the one.
Yes. Thank you very much.
I can't just let you go about this issue without us thrashing it out. See, I'm trying to see how far this will work out between both of us. Sex will come. Eventually, not now.
Afam, we are adults. We are adults, for crying out loud.
I know, but I need to be sure of what I'm doing. I need to be sure of who I'm getting married to.
It's fine. It's fine. You're right. We're still getting to know ourselves.
Thank you.
Uncle, I am removing the barricade from my shop. I'm removing the barricade from my shop.
You've removed them, eh?
Yes.
You've removed them.
I removed it.
You see, because you have a big lawyer friend. So, look, you are not free, oh.
Okay.
You are not free.
Uncle, we will die here. If anybody comes to my shop again, I will kill that person. I will not let go of my shop for anybody. This is my father's shop. I will not live here.
You will hear from the others.
I'm waiting.
You will hear from the others.
I'm waiting.
This shop belongs to me.
It belongs to me.
You will see Azuka.
You are not my father.
You are a wicked
My
woman.
father is not your father. It's not your shop.
Okay.
I'm waiting, Uncle.